Hey, so as I promised in the last video, this one will be me trying to solve the 5x5 for the first time. I haven't seen any tutorials or anything like that, but I started with the 4x4, so I guess this should be a little bit easier. So first maybe let's start by the white center. Okay, so I have a bar. Let's put it on top and I'll make another bar. I have here two. I can join them together with this one. Put it here with this one. Now the middle bar. So I have here one centerpiece. Yeah, like this. And now, okay, so first center, not so hard. Now let's go for the yellow. I can join them together like this and put a white back. If I put this one here, I can bring these two down here and make it vertical back, but yeah, like this. Okay, so I have two bars, the other one is here. Let's join them together. Nope. How do I do this? Like this, maybe? No, that's the same. Oh, okay, so here I make a bar, vertical, goes up. Okay, so two centers. Now let's go for the blue one. Okay, one bar. Now the other bar is here. Okay, join them together and only one left to go, which is here. If I put it here, no, move it like this and this one also. I can bring it up and make a bar. Yeah, now join them together. Alright, so now the red one, I already have here a bar. This should be like the 4x4. Bring it up, double turn, bring it down, bring this down. Oops. Yeah, it's confusing at first. How do I do this? Yeah, I only have this one left and the red. Okay, so I've been trying some stuff for a while and I just ended up with two H's and I still don't know how to solve this. It's a C and another C. Yeah, so now I made the red one finally, but I messed all the others. And we're back to the C's. But this time it's in adjacent layers, not in opposite, so it might be easier, maybe. Okay, so I just went for a little help, so I watched the JPerm tutorial. So he says if we have this case, so if this one goes here, I bring it down, move this to another layer, then bring this down also, and move it to the way it was, and now move this up. Oh, okay, make it vertical and goes back in. Oh, alright, so yeah, that worked. So, all the centers. So now the edges. Now I have three edges, so I guess edge pairing would be similar to the 4x4. So I have white, orange, white, orange. The other one is here, so let's bring it down. And I can just join them together. Yeah, put them up. Fix the centers. Yeah, it's here. Okay, so I just keep doing this. Okay, so now I have two last edges. And this one is paired up, but this piece is oriented in the wrong way, so I guess I'll focus on these two. And now I guess like the 4x4 slice flipping algorithm, probably. Let's try that. Okay, that worked. They are paired, but facing the wrong way, the middle ones. Okay, so I just went looking for this case and I found out that this is a parity, and it's like the 4x4, and the algorithm is the same but just one more move, so it's the same algorithm: up 2 turns, turn the cube, up 2 turns, up again, down, now the left one, and now yeah, in this case the 3 layers down, this is the extra move, and then the same. Okay, so yeah, that worked. Now I guess I have to do the same for these two. Okay, that's fine. Now let's solve it like the 3x3. Yeah, so it's not that hard for the first time. Now let's do the first 2 layers, first 4 layers, I guess. Yeah, so it's very weird because I'm not moving I'm like doing U prime turns instead of with this finger. I'm doing with this one. So yeah, it's really weird because if I do it this one, the cube usually messes with the inner layers and then it blocks. I don't know if I have to improve a little bit at this one or if it's the cube that's not very good. Probably it's me. Alright, so assume okay, we are almost there, and last step. Alright, so yeah, I just solved the 5x5, yay! If you know any better methods to solve it, let me know, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.